Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. This is another video on continuing my penetration testing tools series. Today we're going to be talking about domain information. Again, disclaimer, this is for educational purposes only and not to be performed on any company without consent. All right, number one, this is not, well, it could be a tool, but it's not a tool for penetration. It's a organizational tool. Cherry Tree is a hierarchical note-taking application. It has rich text, syntax highlighting, images handling, hyperlinks, import export with support for multiple formats, support for multiple languages, and more. So I have pasted in the link, okay, where you can get it, and how you can also, if you have Kali Linux, how you can install it. Sudo app install Cherry Tree. So this is good for you to take notes and keep a good chart and keep all of your findings organized. So take a look at it. Number two, who is domain tools? This one you can find. You can type a domain and you will find the IP addresses. Oh, sorry, I put addresses. Sorry about that. The IP addresses associated with the domain you're looking for, the registrar name, addresses, mail addresses, phones, etc. So this is a pretty good tool online that you can use. So look it up. Who is that domain? Tools.com. The next one, Shodan. I already spoke about Shodan on my previous video. I know that it's no longer free. You have to pay a fee or you have to become a member, but it's a very, very good tool. So you can find like cameras connected on the web, even servers that have not been taken care of that are still viewable from the web, IoT devices, you name it. Go check it out. Spice. This one, um, I looked up the site spice.com, but I was not able to find anything. It was telling me the page could not be displayed. So I don't know. You guys might want to try it. That's you can look it up in Google, spice.com or www.spice.com. I put in the link for the README stuff. The quick start. Um, this is good because it returns a list of autonomous systems that match the search query and allows getting the first 10,000 results. So it's very, very good. I mean, look it up, you see. I mean, you can get a lot of information from it. Okay. Number five, make sure that when you install and are up and running with Kali Linux, you create two accounts. One is the sudo account, which is the equivalent for the administrator in Windows, and another one, a regular account. So always use the regular account every time you log into Kali Linux, and use your sudo account when you need to really do elevated things, like execute something that needs elevation. So that's my recommendation there for Kali Linux. Number six, under Kali Linux, you can execute sublister. So I have put an example how you can run sublister.py. I mean, there's no space after sublister. I think I made a mistake there. But sublister.py and D for domain and the name of the domain.com. T3 for threads, how many threads you want it to run, and that's how you would execute or run sublister. And if you want to find out more, go to Google and search sublister. Number seven, I think I made a typo there. It's called Infoga. No, no R, no Inforga. No, it's Infoga. 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 Sorry. It's a free and open source tool available on GitHub, which is used for finding if emails were leaked using haveibeenpawned.com API. Infoga is used for scanning email addresses using different websites and search engines for information gathering and finding information about leaked information on websites and web apps. So I wrote an example on how you can run it. The first one is Python infoga.py, which you will get how you can run it, how it will work. It will give you examples, on how you can execute, whatever queries you're making. And the other one is, let's say, infoga Python space infoga.py, then dash dash domain, and then the net domain.com, dash dash source, all, and dash dash breach. That will give you a lot of information. So if you try it and test it, you'll see that it's worth looking at it. And anyways, this is the part for domain information. If there's something else you guys need to or want to add up, please make a comment, and I'll be happy to give you more information on it. Or if you guys want to give us information on it, please go ahead. This is for educational purposes, so everybody here is to learn. And we're here to learn from each other. So thank you guys, and see you next time.